Today I'm going to talk about how AI can help us students in our learning, especially in studying and doing research. So first, I am going to tackle the purpose of AI. The purpose of AI is assisting you in your learning and studies or research. It can also make our learning easier because AI can explain lessons, answer questions, and help you understand topics that are confusing. It's like having extra help whenever you need it. So the next one is the audience analysis. Here I put students from high school to college because they are mostly the ones using AI to make their learning easier. Now, the audience profile. So here we have 3 audience profiles. The first one is familiarity because many students already know what AI is, but not everyone knows how to use it in the right way for school. The second one is the challenge or skepticism because some students are unsure or even skeptical. They might think AI is only for copying answers or they may not trust it fully. Here's the third one, which is the goal, because our goal is to show that AI is actually a helpful tool for learning, not a shortcut for cheating. Now, let's move on to the main points. First one, AI as a personal tutor. AI can act like a friendly study buddy. You can ask it to explain lessons, break down hard topics, or give simple examples. It's always available and it never gets tired. Second one, the right ways to use it. AI should help you learn, not do everything for you. The best ways to use AI is for summarizing lessons, making practice quizzes, brainstorming ideas, practicing code or math problems, and understanding your mistake. These things make your learning better and stronger. The last one, the result. When you use AI the right way, you understand your lessons more clearly. Studying becomes easier and less stressful. And because you really understand the topics, you get better grades. So AI becomes a tool that supports you, not something that replaces your hard work.
So my quote here is your degree is for you. Use AI to get smarter, not just to finish faster. Partner wisely, succeed often.
So in the end, AI is here to help us learn smarter. When we use it correctly, we grow as students and become more confident learners. That's all, sir. Thank you for listening.